Hi there, another pupil examination video. Okay, let's have a look in. Go to the quiz. Oh, done that one. Okay, let's have a look at this one. So, first thing to notice is that there's a very slight difference in the size of the two eyes here. So this left side, the sort of aperture is slightly narrower. So there's a slight upper and lower lid ptosis here, and if you know what conditions are associated with mild ptosis, you might already be ahead of the game in terms of what this condition is going to be. Now, there's another thing that won't be obvious yet, but if I switch the lights off, the right pupil, this pupil here is dilated, but this left pupil is smaller, but slowly it is dilating. So over the course of 10 seconds, 15 seconds, that other pupil does dilate. Let's make the pupil small again. And let's just switch those lights off again. Dilates quickly. This is dilating slowly. So this is showing something called a dilation lag. And a dilation lag is a characteristic feature of a Horner's syndrome. So if you're looking for a difference in pupil sizes where the abnormality is most obvious with the light switched off, then you've told yourself that the abnormal pupil is a small pupil. So this is the abnormal side. And that dilation lag is this characteristic for Horner's syndrome. And then if we just do the pupil reactions, they're constricting, but this pupil is slow to dilate every time we do stuff with it. And let's do the other side. And again, that dilation lag is visible. There's no relative afferent pupil defect. Okay, so I hope you can see that that left side has got Horner's syndrome. It's got a slight ptosis and it's got a small pupil that's relative to the other side, most obvious when the lights are switched off with that dilation lag. So the pupils are abnormal. Is there anisocoria? Yes, most obvious in the dark. Yes, in the dark. Does each pupil react to light? Yes. Is there an RAPD? No. What kind of defect is this? This is the left Horner's. What test could confirm this? Okay, well there's a few tests for Horner's. So let's just jump to the Horner's tests. The common two tests are cocaine 4% paste or aproclonidine drops. And basically there's different types of Horner's. If you have the oculosympathetic pathway, you've got first order, which is down to the ciliospinal centre. Second order, up to the sympathetic chains, that sort of upper part here. So this is the second order, runs up to here. And then the third order is the sort of peripheral part that runs from the superior sympathetic chain along past the carotid bifurcation and up to the eye. So if you can confirm a Horner's syndrome with iopidine, you can then examine the neck, examine the chest, and think about where you need to find a possible lesion. So the commonest thing is to confirm with cocaine or aproclonidine and then go ahead and scan. But you traditionally books talk about testing with hydroxyamphetamine, paradrine drops, which can sometimes be used to differentiate between second and third order defects. I don't think most people actually do that anymore. I hope that's helpful, and obviously there's lots more to do with Horner syndrome. There's quite a lot in the book, so hopefully you'll come and have a look at that. Bye now.